Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to remove someone from share list on Instagram. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to go ahead and open your Instagram application, and then let's try to look for something to share. So for example, this one. So just click on the share button. And when you do that, you'd be able to see here your share list. Now let's try to share this video to this specific user and then click on send. After that, you'd have to go back here and then click on your DMs. So this one at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then click on the user where you have sent your message to. Okay, so this one. Now click on their profile at the top. Okay, and then you'd be able to see this options. So just click on the options. And when you do that, you'd be able to see the restrict, block, or report. Now you just have to block this user or restrict this account. So when you go ahead and click on block, and then let's go back to our news feed and try to share a specific video or pictures. So let's try to share this video right here. And when we do that, the user that we have blocked is no longer in our share list. Okay, and that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.